You have USDT on your wallet, for instance, but what you need is USDC, or what you need is a different token. Now, if that's your situation, it's history already, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to bridge or how to convert anyhow you want it, right? Any way that suits your situation, I'm going to answer it right now. So as you can see here, we are on a DeFi wallet, a Web3 wallet, and I have USDT here. And let's say, for instance, you need USDC. For some of you who are doing SoSo Value, maybe you want to buy SSI, that's SoSo Value Indexes. But then what's required is USDC on base network, but you have USDT here on BNB network. And the first thing that will come to your mind will be to send it to an exchange and trade it. That's the first option. So someone gets out, for instance, and the first thing you need to do is to deposit. So you click on deposit here, on-chain deposit. USDT is what you have. So don't just follow my guide, right? Use your brain as well. So what network do you have your USDT on the DeFi wallet on? Is the same network you copy here. Mine is on BNB, so I'll copy BNB. I'll copy the address and I'll take it to the DeFi wallet, and then I'll send the amount of USDT that I want to exchange, that I would rather have it on USDC. So after sending, it will appear on this exchange. Then you come back here and you enter a search for USDC. So once you input USDC, different options will appear. So go for spot, right? So this is spot. Then you click on USDC slash USDT. That's the trading pair, right? And you click on trade here. You are buying USDC with your USDT. So the balance in your USDT will appear here. So you will load the amount. You can either drag if you want 100%, or you can just manually enter the amount. For instance, you want 50 USDT exchange to USDC. That's one of the method. Alternatively, still on the exchange, you can use your assets, and then you click on convert here. So you convert your USDT to USDC. You just enter the amount. Minimum amount is 1 USDT. So I guess if you enter 1 USDT up here, you get 1 USDC, unless maybe there are fees. But of course, they have stated here that there are no fees. So you get 1 USDC, since all of them are pegged at $1, right? So those are the two ways to get USDC from USDT on exchange. Now on exchange, you don't need to bother yourself about the network very much. It doesn't matter which network you have your USDC on, but the moment you want to withdraw it, you have the option to select a network. So for instance, you will click on withdraw here, you click on chain withdrawal, select the coin, for instance USDC. So once it opens, you can see you have the option for selection of network. So the network you want to select is base. Of course, base is available here, and you can check the fee 0.05, right? Now you get the wallet address from wherever it is. Maybe it's a DeFi wallet, you go copy the wallet address, base network, you paste it here, and you enter the amount and you withdraw, right? So we just finished for exchange. Now you have it on DeFi wallet and you would want to exchange it. It's called bridging now, because you are moving it from one network to another. So like I said, my USDT is on BNB chain, as you can see, BNB chain, right? So I want it in USDC. So I click on bridge. If you're using the latest version of OKX, you should have the bridge button. Is what I have, and it's on BNB network. Look at it there. So down here you have Ethereum on Ethereum network. Is that what you want? I guess not. So you tap on this drop down arrow. Now you have different networks here. We're currently on Ethereum, but you want base, and you find base here. That's the network you want to work with, right? So under base, look at the USDC base, right? Is this what you want? And you select it. Now you have USDT BNB to be bridged to USDC base, right? So let's enter the amount. So for instance, I want everything, so I click on max. So now this is it, 4.5 USDT bridging to USDC, right? I get 4.488 this. So do you approve? And this is the rate, 1 USDT for 0.99 USDC. That's what's happening. So minimum you receive is 4.3 USDC. Do you approve? You click on approve USDT here. So let me click on max. Click on confirm amount. So you click on confirm. So there's going to be a fees, right? So confirm, verify with the fingerprint. USDT approved. Now is the bridging phase. The first one was just approval. Then you click on bridge. So there's going to be a fees in on BNB, right? So I guess as it stands now, you're going to need some amount of BNB. Confirm, verify with fingerprint, transaction submitted. So now USDT balance is 0. All right, so I've successfully traded. All right, they call it trade, but what you did is bridge, right? Well, there you have it, guys. That's how to bridge USDT to USDC on exchange and on a DeFi wallet. Thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.